Hey guys, today on Know Your Produce we're making a delicious and healthy chia seed jam. You won't believe how easy it is. It's perfect for your morning toast, and let's get started. So in our saucepan on a medium-high heat, I'm adding in frozen strawberries. You can use any frozen or even fresh fruit for this recipe. It's super versatile and it's so simple. So what I'm doing now is using my spoon to mix those berries around and just let them release their natural juices and their natural sugars. Now you can see those juices are releasing from the strawberries. They're getting softer, so I like to break out my potato masher. This thing is my favorite tool in the kitchen. I use it for avocados to make guacamole too. They're a little frozen, so I try to get them help along the way and just mash them, but you can absolutely wait until they're really soft. I go for a chunkier texture, but if you want a really smooth jam, you could also use your immersion blender in here. So once it's to the texture that I like, I just remove this and then I start reducing that liquid. I let it boil about 2 minutes and I just make sure that I'm stirring it so this way it doesn't burn, because it will burn if you don't pay attention. So just keep mixing it and just make sure that you're watching it as it reduces. Now that it's reduced, I actually remove it from the heat and then I start adding in my ingredients. My sweetener, I'm using maple syrup. Then we obviously need some chia seeds to make it jelly-like for the jam. And then I'm also adding in some lemon juice. And then we're just gonna stir that in off of the heat. Now it's time to put it into your favorite jar. I like to use a mason jar, and then I just put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. You could even do it overnight. Our chia seed jam is ready to enjoy and ready to spread onto your morning toast, but don't just limit it to toast. This is perfect for topping over your oatmeal. You could put it over ice cream. You could put it on your coconut yogurt. Any way you want to use it. I've even been known to take out a spoon and take a biteful because it's that good. We hope you like and enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.